Welcome, everyone. Today we're talking about the history of the internet. So, I want you to read the article that I'm going to give you in class today. And as you read this article, I want you to think about how the internet was created and how did we get to where we are today. So, the internet has a long history, and lots of people work to make the internet possible for us today. So, today we're going to jump in and see what happened in history and how did we get to where we are today. So, question number one, you're going to have these little Google slideshow pages on here. And what I would like you to do is just click and read it and then fill in the blanks. So, let's go ahead and start. Unlike technologies such as the light bulb or the telephone, the internet has no single, and as you read the text that I am providing for you, it says, the internet has no single inventor. So just go ahead and take out a little line that's in here. Take that out and type in the answer. So you've been given the answer to the first question. And I'd like for you also to just go ahead and change the color. So that way I'll know that you've answered it. And so yeah, just change the color of that. All right. And you just go ahead and move on. The internet got its start in the blank more than 50 years ago as a government weapon in the Cold War. So the internet has a deep history and going all the way back to the 1950s, 60s, when we were in the Cold War and we were fighting with Russia. So go ahead and read the article, do the research. Back in 1957, the Soviets, they launched a satellite. It was called Sputnik, and the United States wanted to catch up to the Soviets and develop technologies. So that's how we actually began getting ready to build the internet. So have fun reading the article, have fun filling this out, and make sure that you get all the questions. For years, scientists and researchers used it to blank data with one another. So yeah, just think about that. Right here is a picture of the ARPANET, which was developed by the United States government. And this is the early stages of the internet. So just go through this whole document and you're going to learn so many different things about how the internet got started. Remember, as you type, to go ahead and take out the lines that are in here and type your answer. Okay. When you get down near the end, there's a few activities that I want you to do. For example, all right, here it says write an essay. So use key terms to write an essay on how the internet was made and how it changed the world. I want you to do one page, double space, 12-point font. Here's a list of all of the key terms. You have internet, Cold War, Sputnik, Soviet Union. You have, let's go back. So you have Soviet Union, ARPANET, JCR, Licklider, Packet Switching, UCLA, Stanford University, University of Hawaii, Vinton Cerf, Tim Berners-Lee, World Wide Web, Mosaic, Congress, Commercial Purposes, and Connected. That actually should have been commercial purposes. So in 1992, the U.S. Congress decided that the internet should be open for commercial purposes. So they allowed the internet to be open, and that's how the internet came to how it is today. And it started, companies and businesses started getting on the internet, and it just really took off. So have fun doing this research. If you have any questions, please let me know and I will get with you and help you. Thank you. See you next time.